it's Zaini from Keep It Zaini. Sardiyon ki Sogat, Kashmiri Chai, also known as pink tea or noon tea. It's a true labor of love. Kashmiri Chai is usually known for its signature pink color. Its brewing technique is really unique. Usually served during cold winter days or at family gatherings. Today, I'm going to show you a foolproof recipe, very easy step-by-step instructions that you can easily make it at home. It's like having a fun science experiment. Let's get started. Okay, in order to make perfect signature pink color Kashmiri chai, we need, of course, a pot, water. This is 1 liter water. It's almost about 4 cups. We have Kashmiri chai tea leaves. This is about 2 tablespoons heaped. And then I'm going to show you, we're going to use half of the anise star, 1/4 inch cinnamon stick, and about 6 cardamom, and a pinch of salt. It's not pinch, it's about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder, we're going to use it later. I'll show you when. So let's put 1 liter water. These are 2 heaped tablespoons of the chai, pattee, and aromatic spices that I already told you, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it once. Now you just need to let it boil or simmer for about 40 to 45 minutes till the water reduces to half. I'll see you shortly. We are back after 15 minutes. So 15 minutes passed, and check out this beautiful brown color that this is turning into, and it's reducing, but I think we still need about another 15 to 20 more minutes that it needs to simmer more. So usually about 1 liter of water would take about 30 to 35 minutes to reduce to half. Obviously, if you're going to double it up, make it with 2 liters, it's going to take somewhere about 45 to 55-ish minutes to reduce to half. Check this beautiful color out. It is beautiful, but we're not there yet. Let it simmer for another 15 minutes and I will be right back. Welcome back. It's almost 35 minutes, and now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure it's baking soda and not baking powder. So this is heaped 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. By the way, my director set up this camera on the tabletop for you guys to get a closer shot. So I'm going to put this in. Look at the reaction. Check this out. This is the time when you're going to pentify it few times. Stir it vigorously couple of times till you start seeing that pink color in the foam. So this is the time. Check out this pink color around the foam. So this means that the signature pink tea color is coming. We're almost done. We're almost done. If you follow this recipe step by step, it's not difficult to make Kashmiri chai, aka pink tea or noon tea. Now you can see the pink foam really nicely. This is the time where we're going to put ice cubes. Instead of using cold water, I prefer to use 1 whole tray of ice. So here goes the ice. We're going to stir it one more time and just wait for the first boil. So after the first boil, we're going to turn off the stove and we'll show you how to serve it with milk. Dun dun dee dee dun dun. I'm almost ready. I can't wait to have this Kashmiri chai tonight. It's a beautiful chilly day today. मज़ेदार फॉल का वेदर और कश्मीरी चाय, क्या बात है, उफ, मौजा ही मौजा. Check this out, it has started to boil now, and as I said earlier, after the first boil we're going to turn off the flame, and now we're going to strain this kahwa. Check this pattee out. I'm loving this weather. Oh my gosh. Want to have some extra, so this is what I'm going to be doing, squeezing it in. I've strained this kahwa and it's about 3 cups. Now we're going to assemble it and I'll show you how we serve it. This is the last step, guys. So this is about 3 cups of tea, strained tea, kahwa, and a very important step that I'm going to tell you is I use whole milk as well as half and half. So that gives you the really rich and creamy pink tea texture. To the 3 cups of kahwa, I'm going to use 1.5 cup of whole milk, and 1 cup of half and half. Maybe a little less than 1.5, about 3/4 of half and half. Check out this beautiful pink color, and I'm going to add few cardamoms again, so it gives a rich flavor, and few pista. The reason I add kava first and then milk is that I'm looking for the desired color that I prefer. If I do the other way around, which most people do, they warm up the milk first and then add kahwa. I like it this way better because check this out, you can control how much milk you want as per your liking. So check this out, check out this beautiful signature pink tea color. I'm gonna cook it for about 5 to 10 more minutes and then we will serve it. Check this out. This is the fun part. And make sure you do use half and half. Look at the color, the beautiful color and the creamy, rich texture. Okay, time to serve. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Just 1/4 teaspoon is enough for me, as I like more of the saltier taste rather than sweet. And I'm going to garnish it with some pistachios. And here you have it, Kashmiri chai on a thandi fall day, a chilly fall day. Enjoy your Kashmiri chai. I hope it was easier for you to understand, and I hope you will make it. Comment in the comment section and let us know how many of you have made this Kashmiri chai at home and if you were able to get this signature pink color or not. And now my favorite part, taste test. क्या बात है, उफ, ज़बरदस्त. It's the really good creamy texture that I wanted, so do try it out. Till next time, I will see you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, keep it zenny. Take care.